Hi, Dr. Ian here. Today's health hack is on cold therapy. So you hear of people taking cold showers, or athletes taking cold baths, or there's these cryotherapy centers around town in your neighborhood. So what's the deal with all of this cold therapy craze that's going on? I recall when I first started integrating cold therapy myself, I was in my hot tub in the middle of winter, and my kids would check the thermometer of it, and it was like in the 30s. And they're saying, "Dad, are you crazy? What are you doing? Isn't it hurt?" So when you first do a cold plunge or take a cold shower, it's very shocking. So if any of you have ever taken a cold shower, it's very shocking to the body, and you just want to turn on that warm water so you're comfortable. Now your body's going through an adaptive phase, right? So your vascular system is constricting, it's trying to protect its organs, and so that's why everything's hurting. But after a couple minutes, your body starts to adapt and you overcome the painful sensations, but you have to endure it. There's no side effect to that. Now obviously, the disclaimer is if you have a weak heart or a compromised cardiovascular system, you shouldn't be doing this. But if you're overall healthy, then you can endure the 2 minutes of pain, but past that, if you're in it for about 5 minutes, you really get a lot of benefit from the cold therapy, because what it does is it really helps to regulate your hormones and helps to improve your metabolism. And for me, most importantly, it helps me to really have mental clarity, because instead of focusing on the pain or on the body, you're focusing on your happy place, on things that maybe you're trying to set a goal for something, or if you enjoy going to a beach or a vacation, that's really what you're focusing on and not the pain. Because the last thing you want to do is tense up and focus on the pain. You want to focus on other things, but when you're doing that, you're really programming your mind to overcome the issues with your body that you're feeling. But I've been doing this for several months now, and the more you do it, the body really starts to adapt, because what it really has helped me is to overcome stress and anxiety. So all the responsibilities at work, it really helps my mind to be clear. When I start off with meditation and a cold plunge in the morning, it really sets the intention for the rest of the day. And whenever there's a situation that comes up, you're not as stressed out or having any anxious feelings, because you've conditioned your mind to overcome difficult tasks or challenges throughout the day. So those of you that are up to the challenge and doing a cold plunge, I would really challenge you to do it this week. And what you can do is just go in the shower, and you can go ahead and take your normal shower with warm water. But then at the end, go ahead and turn the knob to the cold setting, and instead of racing for it or tensing up, because you don't want to do that, you just want to think of your happy place and ignore that cold water on your body and the pain that it's causing. So just maybe do it for 30 seconds. Make sure that you're hitting the back of your head and neck, and then turn and face it so your entire body is being exposed to the cold. And so maybe the first time you'll just do it for 30 seconds, but just in your mind, you'll see a big difference after the cold therapy or the cold shower, that your mind really starts to clear up. And the more you do it, you can really build up the time frame while you're taking a shower, but you'll notice a big difference.